What is up, people? What is up, homies? So we're gonna go outside and get some fresh air because it's really hot in here. So we're gonna show you what it's like on the outside of the house. You probably know what or wondering. This is the outside. Now as we walk in, you can see our house in just a couple minutes from here. And if you turn around, I'm pretty sure you got a hold of that, Mom. This is our house. So we're gonna take a walk around the neighborhood. No, it's really quiet. Yes, I actually do live in the same neighborhood that Limo Slam films. I'll give you a neighborhood tour. Well, not all of it. I mean, yeah. So as we explain this, by the way, this is actually where we get our baseball field set up. I mean, this is like actually kind of nice. We used to play baseball here a couple years ago. I was a genius, right? What's that? Right. We're following our streets right now. And as you can see right here, it's our neighbor's house. Even though we actually got 2 kids. Well, they're not usually here that much. Yeah, they're not usually here that much like Mom right there. You can see our freaking house from here. Oh look, it's Shane the dog. Do I remember him? Let's go check out. Oh, let me guess. It's that dog you used to take outside.
Don't do that to him.
You used to do that to her. You used to. Remember? I'm probably. Hi.
He doesn't like you to touch him on the head unless you're really knows you.
Bite you. I like to mess around with the dog.
He's like,
Aw, you're really cute.
Outside.
Well, you've been outside for like a couple months now. Can you go on your own?
Would he take off if he wasn't on a leash? You know?
No, he's
Shock.
Come here, doggy. Come here, kitty. How old are you?
8.
Oh, guess he's the same age as my friend. Say, do I remember you?
Yeah.
I think I used to remember you as a kid, right? And I probably do not even recognize you right now.
We haven't started.
I haven't seen you when you were a kid, man. Aw, you're really cute. I wish Teacher Watson. You were my last teacher's name. That's why. Sorry, I think I actually saw something on the phone. I thought it was like a bubble. Really tiny bubble. But thank goodness it went gone.
He's playing with the cars or what?
Oh, you know, I didn't think 12 hours was enough at work.
Guess who's back? Back again. Aw, Lily, you recognize me, right? Oh, you cuckoo little doggy. You cuckoo little doggy. Oh, yeah. You come over here. I miss you so much. Now let's check the security camera. Oh, nice. It's actually still safe. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that outside vlog. If you do, give it a comment, subscribe, and like. And I'll see you in the next vlog. And good night.